Hello, in this video I'm going to go over the main features of CMMS maintenance management software. Using the tabs at the top to group the features, we'll start with the dashboard. The dashboard allows the user to have an overall view of the current maintenance. This feature is customizable, allowing the user to see the items that are most important to them quickly, both graphically and in list form, for example, as with the current work orders. Under Assets, we have Functional Locations. This feature allows the user to define the locations where their equipment is either installed or stored. The functional locations have a hierarchy, starting with the plant or facility, and then up to 7 locations in that plant. A user can have multiple plants with different sub-locations in each plant. The Equipment and Tools feature allows the user to enter and define all their equipment or specialty tools. A large amount of information can be included, such as functional location, supplier, serial numbers, and whether the item is installed or a spare. The Suppliers feature allows the user to enter their organization's suppliers and contact information for them. Under Maintenance, we have Create Work Request. This feature allows the user to create a work order. The work order includes the functional location, the type of work order, and the priority, as well as a summary, full description, and more. Files can be included in the work order, such as photos. The Work Order tab allows the user to see a list of active work orders, as well as view the details of each one. Maintenance Plan. This feature allows the user to view a list of maintenance plans and their status. The user can view the details of the maintenance plan, and the user can change or edit the plan. The Task List feature allows users to create step-by-step lists. This feature allows a task list to include items such as cost and time to complete the task. These task lists can be included in work orders to define how the procedure is to be completed. The Jobs Planner can be used to create a plan for a future job that needs to be completed. This feature allows the user to plan the resources and time needed for the job, offers a Gantt chart view, and provides the user the ability to add reports regarding the job plan status. In the Stats feature, the user can gather stats and information regarding their maintenance. It allows the user to create custom graphical reports with a multitude of search criteria. These reports can be scheduled and emailed to internal users as well as external recipients. Help is available on each item via the Help tab at the top. The help provided is specific to the page or item the user is working on, therefore reducing the time needed to search for a specific topic. CMMS has a great search function. Search can be used with any of the mentioned features and allows the user to provide specific criteria to narrow the search. Default searches can be defined and used as a default view, and search tags can be added to equipment to increase search efficiency. In future videos, I will be discussing each of these features in detail and how to use them. If you haven't already, go to cmms.com/site/cmms.php and sign up for your free demo account. I will leave a link in the description below. This will allow you to see and test all the great features. Check back on our channel often for new and exciting videos on CMMS and how to use this great platform. That's all for now. Take care.